First, because I know that there can, I don't want to say the word, but there can be critters here. But I think right here is really good. And then do you have a side that's your favorite?
A makeup artist was asking that. I don't think so. I think maybe the right side.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So then I'll just have you stand like right here.
Okay.
And it's going to be pretty like straightforward, this one. It'll
Cool.
just be about, the sun's going to be behind you. It's really, really beautiful, highlighting you. And then I'm going to try to get like a family photo with all of you guys looking.
Cool.
Okay.
And then I'll almost feel like bringing those sleeves up will make it feel a little bit more lifestyle-y. Yeah. Really good. And you'll be standing just like this, Sean. Like, so you'll be right here.
Mm-hmm.
So you're just here, and it's just gonna be pretty standard like this. And then you might like lean your head towards him a little bit, and
Okay.
that kind of thing.
Okay.
All right, Truman.
That's great. Gorgeous. And then Sean, if you're feeling like I'm not sure what to do with this hand, you could either stick it in your pocket, and that'll be throughout the day. I'll probably tell you to do that a million times. Or it might be even cuter here is that you would maybe play with Truman's like little foot. I think even his bottom one, maybe. I mean, whatever feels good for you, but be careful not to cover it because you're a man with larger hands. So you're kind of cradling it, like being really cute. And then your other arm is gonna be a little bit more around Tracy. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's great. And because she's wearing that sweater, we'll use your arm almost as a belt too. So you'll bring your, so to come bring it in. Yeah, good. Yeah, that looks really cute. And then Tracy, show me what it's like. Oh, actually not for this photo, but we'll play with that sweater a little bit, like making it come out. That's really cute. Cute. And then bring your head a little closer to Sean's. Yeah, that's cute. And then can Truman come up just a little bit? Yeah, that's perfect. That's so cute. That looks adorable. God, he's so cute. He's tiny, huh?
He's so cool.
This is so cute. He's so cute. We're gonna manipulate he's so cute. We're gonna manipulate it a little bit so that he doesn't get lost. So he'll come out just a little.
Okay.
Cute. And then maybe his paws are gonna kind of hang over your hand a little because I'm like, oh, I'm kind of losing him a tiny bit. Good. And then your shoulders. And actually, you can go more sideways too. Cute. And that way, yeah, good. And the shoulder kind of closes the gap there. Beautiful. And then he's up. That's great. Maybe down a little bit. Cute. And then you guys are here. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
And then we pull him back. Oh, Truman. Okay, perfect. Oh, goodness. Christmas card action right here. Cute. Truman. Treats. Aw, the cutest. Cute. Beautiful. You guys are looking so good. So great. I'm going to come really close. Beautiful. Truman. Baba. And then will you guys kiss for me? Like right above? Yeah. That's great. Truman. Cuteness. Mom and Dad are kissing, I know. Cute. That looks great, you guys. One more here, cute. Yes, and then like a smile right before that kiss happens. So you're just kind of looking at each other, smiling, and really, really, really close, almost like your teeth are touching. Yes, that's so cute. Truman's looking, aw, this cutest. That's great, beautiful. Bye.